The light side over here basically means it's the newer side, and the dark side over there is linked by the mathematical bridge. It was built in 1749. Rumour has it that it was built by Sir Isaac Newton, but it wasn't, because he was actually dead 20 years before. So it's an unusual bridge because it does have pins in it now, but when it was first constructed it didn't, and it was held together purely by mathematics, purely by the force of gravity. But it has been changed, it's been sort of repaired over the years. So that's the two sides of Queen's College. It's popular here to spend the sunny afternoon punting on the River Cam. You can see a punt just coming down there, I think. If anybody wants to go punting, you can go punting later, and you can go in one of the punts just in the river by the pub at the anchor down there. We'll go across the bridge. If you want to take a photograph across the bridge as well, we will. We'll stop and then we'll carry on. Silver Street, again, this is a street that goes back to the Backs, where we will meet the coach later on. Let's go this way.